Hey everybody, welcome back to Freedom Garage, and do I have something special for you? This is a 1986 Chevy C10 Silverado, and it's in immaculate condition. Wait till you see the motor on this thing. I'm going to tell you all the cool things about the outside, as well as the inside. We'll take it for a nice run, and then I want to know from you, what do you think about the old C-style pickups? The C10 Silverado here is a fantastic depiction of what used to be cool back when I was a kid. This is from when I was a kid, so this is very familiar to me. Let me know what you guys and gals think about it down below, and let's get on with this one. All right, guys, here's a truck from when I was a young buck. 1986 Chevy Silverado C10. Look at this, the classic rectangle grille, the classic rectangle lights, high beam and low beam, two different lights. Everybody who's been around for a while understands that. You got the BF Goodrich TAs on the front. Got some specials on the back we'll show you. You got the Silverado badging on the side. Look at that. Classic car here. Old school, but still can keep up with just about everything. And on the back we got some cool Mickey Thompsons, some slicks ready for the track. Get the side exhaust. This is the short bed version. And the bed has been protected. What a piece of history in front of us. They don't make these anymore, kids. Check it out. As we open it up, you see we have the red interior, the old grab handles on the doors. They don't make those anymore either. This one actually has power windows and power locks. I'll show you the spec sheet here in a second. You can see everything that it came with originally. It does have the bench seat up front. You can fit 3 adults in here without an issue. You can see your gauges and instruments. Let's jump inside. Okay, you can see here we have a ginormous steering wheel. Everything is original on the inside here. This is cool. Get down here, let me show you this clock. That's how they used to tell time in the vehicles, guys. Pretty cool. So we have our voltmeter, our oil gauge, our temp gauge, as well as the quartz electric clock. You can see here you got the speedometer and a fuel gauge, and you can see it is an automatic with the transmission shifter on the column. Old school light switches. Does have an updated sound system in it, and that was HVAC in 1986. The dash is in excellent condition, and you can see the rest of the interior here. So this view from behind us, it does have the optional sliding glass window. Just a really well-maintained vehicle here. All right, now let's check out what's under the hood. Boom. Now originally this truck was born with the V8 305 5.0 liter. It now has the 327 power plant in here. You can see the Edelbrock air cleaner. And this now has 365 horsepower with 350 foot-pounds of torque. So this will definitely move down the road, take some people by surprise as well. Plenty of room to work on these things. Back in the day, it's not shoehorned in. Gorgeous vehicle. You can see the old brake booster system. Everything in here is taken care of pretty darn well. So I told you about the spec sheet. This is still in the glove box here, the original one. You can see all the options it came with: a sliding rear window, the fleet side body, intermittent windshield wiper system. That was an option back in the day. Remember those days? The 2.73 rear axle, got the rally wheels, the AM FM stereo and radio. That was an option too. Back in the day, guys, for the younger viewers, rear bumpers used to be options on pickup trucks. And you can also see this has the optional power steering. Oh, the 80s. All right, let's take it for a spin. All right, so let's fire it up, and no fuel injection, so let's see what it does. First turn, listen to this thing rumble. Listen to that, guys. If you're from the 80s, that should bring you right back. Got the window open because it's about 95 degrees today, so excuse the wind, but wasn't gonna turn up the opportunity to take this out for you. So you can see, back in the old days, kids, they made these things with a ton of room. Plenty of room to drive, move around, plenty of room for people on the bench. Brings back a lot of memories. Wonder if Adam's at his shop, he'll love this thing. Oh, listen to this. So there you guys have it, the 1986 Chevy Silverado C10 with the badass motor inside of it. This thing brought me way back to when my uncle used to have a similar truck, driving as a passenger when I was a little kid, feeling cool as pie. Well, today actually made me feel pretty damn cool driving this. I want to thank my friend Sam, who's the owner of this vehicle, for bring it to Freedom Garage. Let me know what you guys and gals think about this vehicle right here. Did forget to mention that he had the chrome bumpers powder coated, and I didn't mention this earlier, but driving behind this giant hood scoop, man, it makes you feel pretty good when you hear that motor rumble. Let me know what you think down below. Does it bring back memories for you? I hope so. Thank you for your time, everybody. I really appreciate you. If you think I've earned it, please smash that thumbs up button and share this video with others, and hopefully you'll consider subscribing to Freedom Garage. Thanks again, and until we see each other again, have a fantastic day. Take care.